Okay, so here I have 8 minus 3/2 x greater than or equal to, and then on the other side, negative 13. And so now I want to undo addition or subtraction. So I'm going to do the inverse of 8, which is negative 8, on both sides. So that's going to give me negative 3/2 x is greater than or equal to, and then negative 13 and negative 8 is 21, sorry. Okay, all right. Now we have negative 3/2 x, or in other words, it's negative 3/2 times x. So we need to do the inverse operation of multiplication, which would either be division or multiplying by the reciprocal. So we're going to multiply both sides by negative 2/3. Therefore, we want to flip the symbol. So therefore, I'm going to do that now so I don't forget. So my symbol now flips the other direction, which is now less than or equal to. The fractions on the left side reduce. So I'm left with 1x. And then on the right side, I'm going to reduce the 21 and the 3. So that gives me 7. And then 7 times 2 is 14. And negative times a negative gives us a positive. Okay, so there we have x is less than or equal to 14. If I want to write that in set notation, so we have a bracket, the variable x, a vertical line, x is less than or equal to 14, and then the bracket. All right, graph that. Our symbol is less than or equal to, so we want to put a solid circle, call it 14. And then since it's less than, it's going down the number line. I'm just going to do the 1. So why don't we do the one on the left side? We have 4x minus 1 less than or equal to negative 37. So I'm going to do plus 1 on each side. And that gives me 4x less than or equal to negative 36. Done adding and subtracting, so now multiply or divide, and we're going to divide by 4 on each side. Do not flip the symbol because we divided by a positive number on both sides. So now we have 1x is less than or equal to negative 9. Put that in set notation. There we go. We have the set of all x such that x is less than or equal to negative 9. Do the graph. So we have a solid circle. Call that negative 9. And we're shading down the number line.